Okay, so this is our customer. These are the readings initially. You've got ORP of 410, pH was okay. Alkalinity is a little high at 150, you want to be 80 to 120. Calcium hardness was twice what she should be, a little more. Should be 300, she's at 810. Cyanuric is through the roof, and that's because somebody was using a trichlor in here, a lot of tablets, or dichlor, which also has cyanuric in it. Just not good to use. Liquid chlorine's the way to go. And of course her TDS, total dissolved solids, are 4,500. Of that, 3,000 is salt, so all that's just too high. And then tomorrow when I pick the trailer up, we'll do some measurements after the process, and these numbers should all be in line. I'm hoping this gets down enough. I don't know where that is. It's somewhere over 400 ppm, which is really too high. Everything is looking good here. We're processing about 28,000 gallons a day, about 25 gallons, 26 gallons a minute, and discharging about 5.5 gallons a minute. That's where all the brine is going down the sewer clean out. This is running pretty smooth right here. Okay, let's go check the pool. Okay, these are our hoses. So you'll see the pool actually has like a purple hue to it, and that's because of high cyanuric, really high cyanuric. So it's somewhat stained, but I've had customers tell me like a week or two after we do this process, that purple goes away. So you can see the color the pebbles should be down in there where there's no purple. Yeah, high cyanuric causes this purple. And everything is stained. All the plumbing, the skimmer is stained, right? The skimmer's white. That's got a purple hue to it. Yeah, and then this is our clean water going back, which I put a test strip on it, and it has 0 cyanuric in it. That's all clean water, basically drinking water. And then the deep end here, this is where we're pulling from, close to the floor, not at the floor. We want to leave some solids in there, right? Calcium is a solid, and you don't want to pull all the calcium out of the pool. That's bad. Pool needs about 300 ppm calcium in it. So yeah, this pool should be done overnight.